Hi, my name's Fiona Savage, and I want to talk to you today about something very, very important. Women's rights, particularly women in Saudi Arabia who, if you can believe it, aren't able to drive their own cars. Honk for women in Saudi Arabia. That's what this message is all about. Here in Canada, we have privileges. As women, we continue our fight to be equal to men, and we are working towards that, and we have a good life here in this country. In other places in the world, women are challenged and have very difficult time, and in particular, now we want to focus on those women and do everything we can to support them. So, I'm going to be driving around and I'm going to be honking my horn for those women. My lovely daughter, who is very much a sensitive person, very concerned about women and women's rights, has written a piece which I'm going to read. Her words. When I think about these issues, I look back to Rosa Parks not being able to sit on a seat on a bus. People say we have gone forward, but really what I see and what I want you to see is that there's no difference. Why can't women drive cars that they paid for? When Rosa Parks wanted to sit next to a white person on the bus, either way, we are discriminating against another human. But it's not just one woman either, it's so many. Rosa Parks didn't sacrifice herself only to be able to sit next to white people on the bus. She did it so discrimination would never, ever happen. And yet, what's happening right now? Not just Rosa Parks gave up life to help us, so it would be a disgrace not to try to help future women. Let's not disgrace their memory. So yes, we can help and we can be the change. So I encourage all of you to drive around and honk for women in Saudi Arabia.